Hey guys, if you like this content, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys like the video and subscribed to my channel. It helps make these videos worth it going forward. Hey guys, Altcoin Sherpa here with a daily coin analysis. Today I am going to be reviewing AAVE. This coin used to be known as Lend, and this is one of the most bullish DeFi coins there are. I am bullish on this one and I have a bag. This is an example of one of the old 2018 coins that basically reached higher than all-time high levels in 2020. This is one of the rare ones. This is like an anomaly. Most 2018 coins are probably not going to reach their old all-time highs in BTC value. Generally speaking, you know, like those old dinosaur coins, they're just not, just given the entire market and what the market is comprised of today. But overall, I'm still highly bullish on AAVE, and I think it's going to do very well. So let's go into the technicals. As always, this is not financial advice. I'm not an expert. Do your own research. So we'll look currently this old former swing high back in 2017, 2018, this acted as support. Generally speaking, these old swing high levels are always going to be very interesting levels, and they're going to provide support or resistance depending on the context. And you can see the old swing high levels, I mean, price remembers. So this is, in my opinion, a reason why I believe technical analysis is significant, is because price does remember these significant levels back, you know, all the way back in 2018. These were interesting support levels all the way in 2020, at the end of 2020. So overall, these swing highs were the support levels in 2020. Lend obviously had a massive run in the summer of 2020. This was the decentralized finance run. And then it had a nasty retrace. You know, all altcoins really pulled back huge, and it found support at the former weekly close in January 2018. And after bouncing up in December, pulled back, and now it's at all-time high levels. So what levels am I looking at? This weekly level, it's hard to read that. I think that's 6,700, 67,000. I can't remember. I can't really see. 0.0067 is the weekly close level, and this swing high right here, 70, yeah, I can't read, sorry. 0077 is going to be a significant support level. And here we are. So price is now kind of pulling back a little bit, and it wouldn't surprise me at all to see price tap some of these lower levels. But overall, I'm still very bullish on AAVE in the next coming weeks and months. We can also use a fib too. So it wouldn't surprise me at all to see kind of this area here tapped, 0.0067. And if things get really ugly, this would mean that basically Bitcoin is doing very well. Price will probably come down to some of these lower levels. There's a lot of, this is like the last significant support level if these current levels fall. But overall, I'm still very bullish on AAVE. I would be surprised if these lower levels get tapped in the short term, but never say never. And yeah, this is kind of what these are my levels in general. So let's look at AAVE USDT. And overall, this does not have the same price history after they changed the ticker on it. But in general, this one skyrocketed ever since December, when we went from $80 to nearly $300, $325. So this was obviously like a massive run. And even if you bought, like I bought back in November too, when it was like 60 or 70. And you know, this is like, it's done really well, you know, since then. I didn't get in at the low 27. I did not get in that low, but still very happy with my investment in AAVE. So looking at some levels here, price is currently stalling out. We can maybe call this like some sort of bullish accumulation. It doesn't look quite topped out yet. We're not seeing super high sell volume. These are not bullish closes though in general. And sorry, these are not bullish closes in general. And it does look like price might want to pull back. If I'm viewing some support in general, I am looking at this demand area around $240 to $260. This would be an interesting support level in my opinion. And if price goes really bad, if Bitcoin like pulls back big, then the 200s will provide quite a bit of support. But again, that's quite a ways away in my opinion. Overall, I'm expecting AAVE to really go much higher than it is today in the next coming weeks and months. There might be a pullback in February. I'm not exactly sure. I mean, it would make sense to see some of this cool off. And if it does, then I'm viewing the $200 level as like a cool off kind of retrace period. Like we can fill out some of these areas, and $200 would be like a 50% retrace. That would not be totally unusual in my opinion. And since I do have an AAVE bag, if 250 gets lost, then I would probably consider selling and just rebuying a little lower. I'm just using a trailing stop for this position myself. But overall, I'm still expecting AAVE to go to like 500 by March and April. I think that decentralized finance will still have more legs up, and this is like one of the sectors to really view in general. But yeah, let's just see, I guess. So I hopefully you guys enjoyed this video on AAVE. I know it was kind of a short one, but the bottom line is that I'm just really bullish on it overall. Like, you know, if you look at the BTC chart, you really can't ignore this trend. I mean, it's still super bullish. Still might pull back a little bit, but I still am expecting higher levels on this in general. So, yep, very bullish on AAVE. I think you should consider buying a bag on a pullback. And $200 is the area that I would view if things go bad. But there should be some support around 250 in my opinion as well. So good luck, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video.